So if you're more of an OG on my channel, crawling under this car, you'll know that I bought a Lethal Performance triple fuel pump setup right here. This thing's a beaut. So we're gonna be installing some of this. Probably not like the fuel lines and whatnot, but we will at least be doing the fuel rails. We're gonna be doing this intake right here. Now, this is a ported intake manifold from the 2018 Plus cars. Like I mentioned in the, was it last video? I don't know. Like I mentioned in the other video, I traded the stock one plus some cash for this one. And it just worked out that way. So I got a ported one, like 10-15 horsepower for 175 bucks. Can't really beat it. What you doing over here, Pop?
I'm making us a bracket.
Making us a bracket. What are we doing today?
Gonna finish mounting the front of the intercooler. This is hanging. So
The same one that's been hanging for like 3 videos now?
yeah. So I cut the bracket to the size. I'm gonna drill these holes out and then drill this so that way it stays on there good.
Optimal fabrication. Also, disclaimer, I'm filming with a GoPro right now. I'm swap the setup a little bit rather than recording with my phone, see if I could get you guys a little bit better angles. It's just easier to hold with this mount. And just let me know if you guys like it. Pop's over here doing his biomechanical engineering.
With record inflation and higher costs on everything, from groceries to gas to housing. But he didn't
Wait, what is
stop
that?
there. Warnock's
Yeah, he
at the
pulled it
center
off.
of even more liberal spending, allowing
Not even I
relief checks
understand
to
the
go to
science.
convicted criminals in prison.
So while Pops is over there struggling because our drill bits aren't, they're a little run down. Not gonna lie. We cut you? 25 years later.
Oh, I'm a little gun shy now.
Dude.
That freaking hurt, dude. Really? Really?
My magic touch.
Watch your wrist. I think it's because I was holding this for you.
Yeah?
Because I almost ripped my arms off.
I think it's because I used my legs so it didn't go anywhere. Down we go. So we have the front bracket all painted and all measured out and everything. So right now what we're doing is we're just lowering the car down so we can start on the intake manifold stuff and the injectors and whatnot, as well as the fuel rails. So manifold cover's coming off. We'll throw that in a corner somewhere. It's been a pretty rough day.
Simple shit. That should take 5 minutes to do is taking like an hour.
I was literally getting these out with my fingers before. Maybe not that time. Some studs and whatnot, and these are for the IMRCs, right?
I think so. But you have them and it already comes with all the stuff, right? Yeah, I don't know why I'm not diluting it.
No, I'm just saying because this is it's to fit a 17 if it had to. So we're gonna open this up, put in all the gaskets. If you lift on the back side, are you gonna? intake manifold on. That was probably the fastest thing we took all day. Making the damn bracket for this thing, for this intercooler right here, took longer than putting down, yeah, it was just because we had crappy drill bits. But now we're gonna go torque this thing down.
And you can't flip it around, I have to loosen the rail.
You said don't worry.
Oh.
All the pieces of the puzzle are starting to make sense now.
Yeah.
Evidently, this is a very indescriptive puzzle. He just understands with fittings. Fear not. Pops is here. Alright. So this process we just went through. It's like we put the fuel rail on, tuck the line back there, ran all the way around, coming back to the this side of the fuel rail. Now there's going to be a regulator coming through here.
It sucks, you're gonna cover the nice fuel rail with this shit.
Yeah, right. And then we'll just do a coolant delete, and then a regulator on this side, and then it goes to the back. So as of right now, we're playing a waiting game. Pop's messing with the regulator at the moment. Have this set up to drain because you can't get that fitting on there without
Well, we need to remove it anyway.
pulling that coolant line. But yeah, we have to take it out anyways.
So we can get all this stuff.
But if we had planned for it or started draining it sooner, it would have been done by now. But it's okay. Live and you learn. Yeah, if it wasn't for that bracket really screwing us over, but you can expect every video there's something that's probably gonna hold us up. It's like the harder stuff usually goes by pretty easy, and the easy stuff usually gives us a really hard time for whatever reason that may be. But don't ever come in the garage and say this should take 30 minutes, because it'll end up taking 8 hours, and you just lie there under your car with your Harbor Freight jacks waiting for them to fail. Alright, this is how we're looking. We got the injectors in, we got the fuel rails in, we got obviously the intake manifold in, we've got some of the lines ran. I don't know how we're going to deal with this, but oh well. Bob's put in the fuel pressure regulator. It's not drilled, so but for right now, that's just what it's looking like. That's how it's going to be drilled and mounted. Yeah, so other than that, after we get this done, we'd have to mount the left side, and then after the left side, we'd get in the back seat and then
Well, we need to run all the lines back.
drain. Yeah.
But we still got a few.
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit.
We've been jumping around a little bit just because there's stuff that we still need to do that just sucks.
So we've determined we're at a good stopping point. We're gonna call it a night. Pops and I are both beat. I gotta go back to work tomorrow. He's gotta work tomorrow. So
We're gonna build a motor tomorrow.
what are you building?
That Honda motor. CRF 250R.
Oh. I forgot, wait, it's Saturday. Yeah, I still work. I work Saturday, Sunday. Off Monday, so we'll be
I worked all week though.
we'll be attacking.
Like my office job.
No, yeah, this guy's real job. This is just a play job that he doesn't get paid for. That's about it.
Come on, man.
I'll catch you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace.